Well guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be replacing this light here and putting in a new or more modern light. So if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell to see more videos like this one. So now, let's show you how to change this light.
So like Levi said, we're going to attempt to change this light. This light's been old and it's been needing replaced in a while. So now's the time. As you can see, there's two little screws right here. You go ahead and loosen those up, take those out. So these weren't as tight and hard as I thought. These are little metal screws on here, little caps. Guess what? Guess what? Before we go any further, we need to go shut off the power. Let's go shut off the power before we get started. That way we don't get injured. Okay, this is the breaker box. So let's see, which one is it? Bathroom, garage, outlets, family room. So it's this one right here. Go ahead and turn that off and let's head back outside. Just got those two nuts off. Go ahead and pull this apart. See what that looks like in there. And we'll pull the wires out that has the wire nuts on. And there's 3 wire nuts in there. So all we do is just go ahead and unhook it. Okay, that's all it's to it. Let's set this to the side and let's go get the other lights. Even though the power's turned off, we should still stick wire nuts on the ends of these wires just for extra protection. And here's our light. We took it out of the box. There's the old one. And this bracket here, we want to attach it to the wall. So we're going to remove these 2 screws, one on each side. And the other screw. Set those out to the side. Pull this out. And we got to swap this out, swap that one out for this one. And as you can see, so far this has been so simple. Sometimes it can be very intimidating changing things out, especially if you've never done it before. So we slide the new one over top and go ahead and put a screw here and down here, which goes into the electrical box. Okay, I got the screws started. I went ahead and used the old screws. Most lights come with brand new screws. So go ahead and snug this up. Not very tight, just enough to make it tight. That way, then I can just put this right where I want it. And then you look at these brackets, you want those centered up in there. And so since these have moved, you can kind of adjust it. There, see, it's pretty even there, and it's pretty even over here. And I'm gonna eyeball it. Now you could put a level one there to make sure it's straight, but I believe it's pretty straight. And I will snug them up tighter. Of course, you don't want to go too tight because it'll bend it back in. But see, it's back against the metal box right here and here. So that's about as tight as you want it. Now this is what the back of the light looks like after we took off the the bracket, mounting bracket. So we got new of these. We can use the old ones, but I don't recommend that. Use new ones because the inside of these can be worn on the other one. Take these apart, and it has same color wires. You got white wire here, black wire here. You got a white wire there and a black wire there. And I'll go ahead and hook these up since I don't have 3 hands to hold my phone. But I'll go ahead and take those nuts off, put the new ones on, connect them, and then slide this area over top of this area and put the screws in and tighten it. And there you go, we got the wires connected. And now what we'll do, we'll one by one press those wires inside the box. Okay, that's what it looks like when the wires are pushed in. And now we'll line this up in these holes. And go ahead and put the wires, or put the new screws in. Okay, we got the screws in. And now we go ahead and just kind of snug them up. Not real tight yet, but just a little bit on each side. Just enough to snug it. And then back on this side, just enough to snug it. Draw it up a little tighter again. All right, now we got it where we want it. Now we can snug it up a lot tighter. All right, nice job. And we can tell, just look down along here, closer here it is up here, closer up here like here. So without using a level earlier, now we can just kind of twist it. And now it's lined up straight. Looks beautiful. Okay, and we turn the breaker back on downstairs. And we'll reach in here and we'll flip this light switch on. And guess what? It is working. Okay, now you've seen just how easy that was to change out. It didn't even take more than 15 minutes, probably less than that actually, if I wouldn't be taking the time to film it and everything, but that's so easy. And thank you for watching. If you've seen this content to be helpful to you, go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell on your way out. And until the next time, have a good day.